This thing is the winner because everybody loves it. This is Trent Green. I spent 15 years in the NFL as a quarterback, 6 of those seasons with the Kansas City Chiefs. Some of my favorite career highlights for the 2003 season. We started that season off winning our first 9 games, and we ultimately ended up winning the division. Now, I'm an NFL analyst for CBS Sports. It's been a great transition for me. For years and years, I thought I would get into coaching because I love the game so much, but the broadcasting part of it, I was just drawn to. I'm married to 3 kids. My wife and I have been married for 27 years. It's been pretty special. The broadcasting career has allowed me to still be the husband and the dad that I want to be. So cooking, for me, it's just about what is easy and having fun with it. In this competition, I'm making buffalo chicken dip. People love this dish. It starts off with a roasted chicken. I cut it up, put that into the crock pot, set out a bar of cream cheese, and I cube that up. Then I put in a 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and then a 1/2 bottle of ranch dressing and a 1/2 bottle of buffalo wing sauce. You can add more or less. It's just kind of whatever your flavor is. You turn it on, heat it up, let it melt, stir it up a few times, and usually in about 45 minutes to an hour, it's ready to roll. We like using it with tortilla chips, but there's all kinds of ways to eat it. Oh man. The trophy for winning this competition is gonna look great next to my other trophy.
Please welcome the former quarterback for 6 seasons for the Kansas City Chiefs, Trent Green. I have to tell you, I'm so embarrassed. My face is turning purple because in this very show, I am making a nacho soup with chicken that looks a whole lot like your dip, but it took me about an hour and a half in the kitchen to record it. Oh gosh.
That's probably way too much time for me. I like making it as quick and easy as possible, and sometimes you have to throw it in the crock pot and leave and go do other things, and that's what makes this dip so easy. Is you can do it really quick and go do other things while you're keeping an eye on it.
And it's so easy, and it has everyone's favorite ingredients, roast chicken, ranch, hot sauce. I mean, I think it's a real crowd pleaser. Have you ever gotten a bad review on this?
It really is. It really is a crowd pleaser because you can add so many different things to it. I know we like to use cream cheese and cheddar cheese. You can obviously add blue cheese to it. You can spice it up, add jalapenos to it. You can mix it with vegetables. As far as the dipping is concerned, we like it with tortilla chips. I mean, there's just so many different things you can do with it.
Right. You could dress it up like buffalo wings, of course, because it's somewhere between nachos and a tortilla soup and buffalo wings.